Ever wondered what weapons are lurking behind those military tents? From laser-equipped vehicles that can zap drones out of the sky to tanks that look like they've rolled straight out of a sci-fi movie, we're about to take you on a journey through the most advanced and surprising military tech on the planet. We've saved the most jaw-dropping weapon for last. It's so revolutionary it might just change the face of modern warfare as we know it. Curious? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be questioning everything you thought you knew about military firepower. Let's kick things off with a weapon that's redefining what it means to rain fire from above. 1. Sky Ranger. In a world where aerial threats are becoming increasingly common, the Sky Ranger steps up to the plate as a formidable defender of the skies. This mobile weapon system might not be a jack of all trades, but when it comes to taking down airborne targets, it's a master of destruction. At the heart of the Sky Ranger is an automatic revolver cannon that's nothing short of awe-inspiring. It spits out programmable tungsten fragmenting rounds at a mind-boggling rate of 1,200 rounds per minute. That's 20 rounds every second, creating a veritable wall of metal in the sky that few aerial threats can hope to penetrate. But the Sky Ranger isn't a one-trick pony. When the situation calls for something with a bit more punch, it can unleash 2 short-range missiles. 2. Vapor 55 MX. Vapor 55 MX is a helicopter-style drone that's redefining aerial support on the battlefield. This isn't your average quadcopter. It's a high-endurance, multi-row platform that can stay in the air for up to 105 minutes, providing crucial support to ground troops. But what sets the Vapor 55 MX apart is its versatility. This drone is a jack of all trades, capable of carrying a wide array of payloads. Need eyes in the sky? The Vapor can be equipped with LiDAR and multispectral sensors, providing detailed reconnaissance. Communication issues? It can serve as a relay, keeping troops connected in challenging environments. And here's where it gets really interesting. The Vapor 55 MX isn't just an observer. It's a delivery system with a punch. This drone can carry packages weighing up to 24 pounds, which might not sound like much until you realize what those packages can be. We're talking guided ammunition with GPS tracking, turning this unassuming drone into a precision strike platform. In tests conducted by AeroVironment, the Vapor 55 MX demonstrated its ability to carry and deliver 4 rounds simultaneously. 3. Shard. What makes Shard so special? It all comes down to its ingenious design. Think of a projectile that combines the aerodynamics of a fighter jet with the punch of a heavyweight boxer. That's Shard in a nutshell. Shard's penetrating element is crafted from a high-efficiency tungsten alloy, giving it the power to punch through armor like it's made of paper. And we're not talking about small improvements here. Tests have shown that Shard boosts penetration by a whopping 15% compared to standard rounds. But Shard isn't just about raw power. It's smart too. Its design keeps dispersion levels low, meaning more rounds hit their target. It actually reduces barrel wear by 25%. That means tanks can stay in the fight longer, with less downtime for maintenance. 4. Leonidas. You're walking and a swarm of enemy drones appears on the horizon, threatening to overwhelm traditional defenses. But Leonidas is ready. With just one blast of its microwave energy, it can fry the electronics of an entire group of drones, sending them tumbling from the sky. It's like an electromagnetic tsunami, washing away aerial threats in an instant. General Dynamics Land Systems saw the potential in this system and decided to give it legs, or rather, wheels. They've mounted Leonidas on the tried and true Striker platform, creating a mobile drone zapping machine that can move quickly across the battlefield. This mobility is a game changer. Leonidas can now roll into a hotspot, unleash its microwave fury, and then quickly relocate before enemy forces can zero in on its position. It's hit-and-run tactics for the 21st century, providing a crucial edge in the ever-evolving world of electronic warfare. The implications of Leonidas are huge. 5. Optio. At first glance, Optio might not look like much. Measuring 94.5 inches in length, 84.6 inches in width, and 43.7 inches in height, it's not exactly towering over the battlefield. But don't let its size fool you. This little robot packs a serious punch. Optio's main weapons are its automatic and gyro-stabilized cannons. These aren't your average guns. They're precision instruments capable of holding their own against other remote-controlled platforms. This adaptability makes Optio more than just another robot on the battlefield. It's a viable alternative to human soldiers in a wide range of combat scenarios. It can go where humans cannot take risks that would be unacceptable for flesh and blood troops, and perform tasks with a level of precision and tirelessness that no human could match. 6. Spyx. Let's talk about range first. Spyx can fly up to a staggering 31 miles from its launch point. That's like flying from one side of a major city to the other, all while staying out of sight and out of mind. But the range is just the beginning of what makes Spyx special. This drone is a master of versatility. It can be equipped with a variety of payloads, from anti-infantry warheads to anti-vehicle explosives and even anti-missile systems. And here's the kicker. It can deliver these payloads with pinpoint accuracy, hitting targets within just 3 feet of the intended strike point. In the world of precision warfare, that's a game-changing level of accuracy. But Spyx isn't just about destruction. It's equally capable as a reconnaissance platform equipped with advanced sensors and cameras that can provide real-time intelligence to commanders on the ground. 7. Jamal. This unassuming vehicle might look like your average military transport at first glance, but don't be fooled. It's packing a secret weapon that makes it the worst nightmare of any drone operator. Perched atop the Jamal's roof is a 5 kilowatt laser, a piece of technology that sounds like it belongs in a sci-fi novel but is very much a reality. This isn't just any laser, it's a fully automated system designed with one purpose in mind: to zap drones out of the sky. The moment its advanced detection system spots a drone, it's game over. The laser fires automatically, requiring no human intervention to take down its target. What really sets the Jamal apart, though, is its self-sufficiency. This isn't a system that needs to be plugged into a power source to operate. It comes with its own onboard power supply, allowing it to run operations independently. This means it can be deployed anywhere, anytime, ready to defend against drone threats at a moment's notice. 8. Ball tank. Prepare to have your perception of tanks turned on its head, literally. The ball tank, reminiscent of the World War II German Kugelpanzer, is rolling onto the scene and challenging everything we thought we knew about armored vehicle design. The original Kugelpanzer, shrouded in mystery, is believed to have served as a mobile observation post for artillery spotters. Fast forward to today, and we're seeing a modern incarnation of this concept emerging from Chinese factories. It's slow, it's unwieldy, and it lacks a turret. So why are we even talking about it? Here's the thing. The ball tank represents thinking outside the box in its purest form. In a world where military technology often seems to be converging on similar designs, the ball tank dares to be different. Its spherical shape could provide unique advantages in certain terrains, potentially rolling over obstacles that would stop traditional tanks in their tracks. 9. Advanced Mortar System. When you think of mortars, you might picture old-school manually operated tubes. But the advanced mortar system developed by Hanwha Defense and S&T Dynamics is about to shatter that image. Think of a computerized fire control system that makes precision strikes look like child's play. And forget about slow manual loading. This bad boy can spit out 10 rounds per minute thanks to its semi-automatic loading system. But here's where it gets really interesting. In today's fast-paced battlefields, being able to move quickly is crucial. That's why this mortar is mounted on a rotating platform that can spin a full 360 degrees and elevate between 45 and 70 degrees. 10. Pulse. What sets Pulse apart is its incredible versatility and range. This system can unleash a devastating array of ammunition types from a single platform, reaching out to touch targets up to a staggering 186 miles away. That's like being able to hit a target in another state without ever moving your position. But Pulse isn't just about raw distance. It's about precision and flexibility. The system comes loaded with 18 Acular missiles for pinpoint support to ground troops, plus 10 slightly smaller ones for good measure. Need even more firepower? Pulse has you covered with 4 extra precision munitions and 2 Predator Hawk missiles, all ready to roll at a moment's notice. But wait, there's more. Pulse has an ace up its sleeve that sets it apart from other reactive fire systems. It can deploy Sky Striker drones. These aren't your average drones. They have a flight range of over 62 miles and can target moving objects. Even more impressive, they can return after reconnaissance missions, providing valuable intel along with their strike capabilities. Want to stay on top of the latest developments? Here's what you need to do. Like and subscribe for more cutting-edge military tech. Comment below what weapon blew you away.